adding text to your screen is possible with canvas layer. And now we will make some text with a label, so make one label and give a default theme for it. So in a theme, just select default theme, load it, you know how, just load the default theme, and write some text like game start or level 1 or level start. And you need to select level. You can rename it to start level or whatever, and add a child node. We need to add timer, so T-I-M-E-R, timer. Okay, and create it to be a child node. After that, add a blank script to start level. You know how to do it. And just click on add script. In our situation we have it. And when you click on timer, we need to set some properties. Set wait time to 6, one shot on, auto start on. One shot means timer will work only once for 6 seconds. Auto start means he will start when the game starts. On the node, we need to make one signal. Select timeout and connect to start level. Start level is label with a timer, and click connect. What we need to have in this blank script one function like this. We need to have function on timer timeout. Okay. Then write one variable start level. This start level need to get node from a parent, so write get parent get node, and after that you will have option to select this start level label. Start level is only name of the label, so select it, and then we will set one property, so start level visible equal false. So start level will not be visible when timer is timeout. So when the time of 6 seconds pass, this will be. Print will only write timer on output screen. And this is mainly this. When you start it, you need to have text level 1, and after 6 seconds timer need to clear it. Okay, this is for now, my advanced learner. See you in the next lecture, and have a good time. Live best you can.